name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos and also my blog posts, I have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. The information about this course will be in the description box below. And I also recently published my first planner, the Divine Life and Home Planner. It is available on Amazon. So, as the title of this video suggests, I'm going to share with you 7 things that you wish or your housekeeper wish you knew. There are some things that you can do to make things a lot better for you and your housekeeper to have this a good experience. So, it starts with actually before they even arrive to your home. One thing that I always do is turn the temperature down. Yes, normally when they're here, I'm working in my office, but they're physically working. They're lifting things up, putting things down, getting on their hands and knees, cleaning baseboards, doing all this physical labor. Their body is constantly moving and moving and moving. So what I always do is bring my temperature down to 69 degrees. Now for me, I'm a person that stays stays cold all the time. So I normally just wear a sweater when I'm in my office, but I make sure that the temperature is 69 degrees so they are nice and comfortable while they're working. You don't want them sweating while they're working or sweating over what they've just cleaned. So definitely turn the temperature down. Another thing I do is make sure that all the clutter is removed. So my husband used to always say, why are you cleaning before the cleaning person comes? Isn't that their job? Well, no, decluttering is not a housekeeper's job. Decluttering is not what the person that's hired to clean your home is supposed to do. If they come into your home and your cabinet or your countertops or your table is full of mail and junk and clothes or whatever, how are they supposed to polish the furniture? How are they supposed to dust? How are they supposed to do anything when they can't get to the surface? So you definitely have to declutter. That is a big thing. So when your housekeeper comes, with them not having to pick up all of your kids' toys, for them to actually be able to, clean the baseboards or do whatever they need to do, that's best. Because they don't know where to file your mail. They don't know what's junk mail. They don't know what any of that stuff is. I mean, even when I was doing organization for homes, I would have to physically have the person with me when we were doing their organization system for them to tell me, like, yes, this is trash, I'm keeping this, and so forth. So decluttering is a major thing. Yes, our pets are an extension of our family. My Simon has been in our family for about 17 years. He's my baby, and I cherish him dearly. But when a housekeeper is there, it's not, time for him to shine. That is the time that I let him go outside. Normally, he roams the house or he's in his room. But when the housekeeper's there, he goes outside on the patio, especially if it's a good day. He can stay outside on the enclosed patio for, 4 hours or whatever. He's fine. So the reason why I say this is because if you have cats, if you have dogs, your housekeeper is trying to clean, but they can't if you have dogs or cats constantly jumping on them, jumping on things, making a mess. So just politely, put them up. If they have a kennel, that's best. Put them in a kennel. That way your housekeeper can actually concentrate on cleaning. Another thing that I do, and I definitely recommend, is for your towels and your bath mats. When I know the cleaner is coming, or right before she comes, I'll go ahead and grab all the towels, all the bath mats, and I'll start washing them. That way, after they've cleaned the bathroom, after they've mopped the floor, after they've wiped down everything, they're not putting back dirty towels or dirty bath mats. Your cleaner is going to do whatever you have. So say, for example, you have your bath mat there. They're going to vacuum it. But do you really want them to just vacuum your bath mat? No, go ahead and clean it. That way when you're stepping into that clean bathroom, you're actually stepping into a fresh bath mat. And then go ahead and toss those, dirty towels in the washing machine. And that way everything in their bathroom is clean. Another thing I do is let my housekeeper know that they are welcome to any of the bottled waters or beverages that we have in the drink fridge. It's basically common courtesy for me. If you're in my home and you're doing a service for me, I don't care if you're the electrician, the housekeeper, babysitter, whatever, you are welcome to drink bottled water and hydrate. Another thing that I always recommend is in your bathroom. If you have like body soap or body wash and just tons of different things in the shower, what I do is I just kind of take those and put them in like a little basket and put it under the sink just for that duration of the time. Because you don't really want someone else touching or manhandling your bar soap or your body soap. And it just gives them an opportunity to clean better instead of them having to pick your bar soap up, clean the shower. You know, it's nothing for you to just move those things just for the moment and just put them up so they can clean. And that's the same thing with any of all of your little lotions or gels or whatever. Hopefully you don't have your countertop just cluttered with all of those things. But if you do, just kind of put them in like a little basket under. That way your cleaner can actually clean everything that needs to be done in the bathroom. Last and definitely not least, communicate. Communication is key with your housekeeper. They want to do a great job in your home and you want a great job done. So make sure that communication goes both ways. I don't want to be like Anoni Nikki Rose's character on Maid. She was horrible at first. I don't want to be like her. But if there is something that needs a little extra attention, you know, I will tell the person. Or if it's a new housekeeper and they don't know my home yet or know me yet, I try to explain to them like, yes, you know, can you spend a little extra time on this? Or I really like for you to do this. And I want them to tell me if there is something that they see or if they have any recommendations for me. So say, for example, if they've noticed that I use a particular shower spray and they know that that one really doesn't do good for after shower, maybe I should use another one. You know, I want them to be able to say, well, hey, you know, Nakia, you have this one and it's not really helping, but if you want this one may work better. You know, so things like that is key. Now, I hope these tips are useful for you. I hope you found them useful and I hope it was received pleasantly. I'm not trying to offend anyone, a homeowner or a housekeeper, but these are just some things that I personally do. So if you have any tips, suggestions, or comments, or additional things that you do to have your home available for your housekeeper, or if you are a housekeeper and you want to add a few things to the list, please feel free to leave that information in the comment section below. I would love to continue this conversation in the comment section below. And if you have not seen my video about the Maid review, I will leave it in the comment section below. That's that movie. It was a Netflix original series titled Maid, and it was really, some things about it I really liked, some things I really didn't, but I did a review on it. And then there's another video that I will leave in the discussion box or the comment box below, which is things that you should outsource. So if you're new to this channel, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.